The Today in Manufacturing podcast offers a powerful and unique perspective on the biggest stories impacting U.S. manufacturers. Anna Wells, David Manty, and Jeff Ranke apply their experience as editors of industry-leading brands Manufacturing.net and Industrial Equipment News in providing in-depth analysis of the latest headlines. Their insight, along with a mix of humor and human interest, makes Today in Manufacturing a go-to source. Keep pace with supply chain challenges, electric vehicle developments, labor struggles, robotics, and more by listening, downloading, and subscribing to the Today in Manufacturing podcast.
Steel pipe manufacturer Wheatland Tube is closing its plant on the south side of Chicago and laying off more than 230 employees. According to the Chicago Tribune, the layoffs will begin on November 1st and continue throughout next year. Wheatland did not provide an anticipated date for the factory's closure. The company, which is a subsidiary of the nearly 150-year-old Zekelman Industries, is headquartered in both Illinois and Wheatland, Pennsylvania, and operates additional plants in Ohio, Alabama, and Missouri. In a statement obtained by the Chicago Tribune, Wheatland said it has no plans to shutter any of its other factories. Zekelman, which calls itself the largest independent steel tube and pipe manufacturer in North America, told the publication it blames the plant's closure in part on a large influx of steel imported from Mexico. The company also accused the U.S. of not enforcing a higher 25% tax rate on Mexican steel imports. The factory workers impacted by the Chicago plant's closure may be able to transfer to other Zekelman factories. Jennifer Murphy, vice president of human resources at Zekelman, told the publication that her company would offer, quote, broad transition support, including severance and outplacement services for any employees who won't be transferring. Wheatland Tube traces its beginnings back to 1877 when John Meneely, founder of its parent company, began selling pipe, valves, and fittings in Philadelphia. The company officially began manufacturing pipe in 1931 and has since expanded its product portfolio to include couplings, conduit, and fence tubing. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.